In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google business profile name. Whether you're rebranding or simply updating your existing business name, this process is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to business.google.com. Once the page loads, look in the upper right corner and click on the Sign In button. Make sure to use the Gmail account that's linked to your business. If you've signed in before, Google will take you straight to your business dashboard, your main hub for managing everything about your profile. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see an option labeled Businesses. Click on it to view all the business listings you manage. Find the one you want to rename and then look to the right side where you'll see a small pencil icon. That's your edit button. Click on it. A menu will pop up showing the different areas you can edit. Select the About section and under that you will see business name. Click the pencil icon next to it to start editing. Carefully type in your new business name and double check for spelling or spacing errors. Accuracy here is key since this name appears everywhere your business is listed on Google. Once you're satisfied with the update, click Save. Your new business name is now submitted, and while it might take a little time for the change to appear across all Google services, it's officially updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google business profile name. Keeping your business details accurate helps customers find and trust you more easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next.